how to create a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Now you may ask, what is thumbnail? What is thumbnail? Let me show you what thumbnail is. This is what we call a thumbnail. Can you see that? This is a thumbnail. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is thumbnail. All right. This is thumbnail. Thumbnail. All right. This is thumbnail. So the cover photo or the cover page of any video you want to watch, the first thing you see is the cover page. This is what we call thumbnail. This is thumbnail. All right. This is thumbnail. This is thumbnail. This is thumbnail. This is thumbnail. Right. So how do you create your? You go to pelzels.com. Pelzels.com. This is the app. I have the app. I don't want to go through the site, so you can download the app. Pelzels.com. All right. You go to Pelzels. Let's say I want to create a thumbnail for. Let's say the video I want to publish, or the video I want to record. The video I want to record is about let's say it's about animals. All right, animals, the animal kingdom, but specifically I'm going to be dealing with lions. All right, so I will go to pelzels.com, which is this very page you're looking at, and at the top I will type in lion. I'll type in lion and search. All right, so you will see different images of lion. So you choose whichever one you like. All right, whichever one you like, you choose. Let me look for a good one to use for the purpose of this video, this tutorial. Okay, quickly, let me look for a good one. Okay, let me go with this. So if you found one you like in this case, I like this one. Okay, so all you just do is you click on this this icon. Can you see that icon there? You click on it. Okay, you click on that icon to download the image. You click on download image. Let me go with original size. You can choose whichever size you like, and then click on download image. Downloading. So let's wait for it. All right, download image again. Okay, it has been downloaded. All right, so what you do next is you head over to canva.com. Go to your Google Chrome or whichever browser you use and search Canva. Type in the search bar canva.com. all right, this is canva.com. okay, so first of all, you get your image, the image you want to use, okay, for that specific video. If you want to do a thumbnail, or you want to record a video on, let's say, on cryptocurrency, that is, you are in the crypto niche. All right, you can go to pelzels.com and search for maybe Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever, or trading charts and all of that. You get the images from there and you use it for your thumbnail. All right, so you come over to your canva.com. At the top where it says search your content on or Canva, okay, you search for, since I want to do a thumbnail, a YouTube video thumbnail on about animals, especially lion, I will type in YouTube animal thumbnail, and search. Let's allow it to load. So I want to make use of existing templates. I don't want to create from scratch. Do you understand? I don't want to create from scratch. Okay, so I want to make use of existing templates. So I'm searching for YouTube animal thumbnail. All right, because I want to run a video. I want to record a video about animals. If yours is about whatever topic you want to publish a video on. All right, you can do that. You can search for that keyword. You replace this animal aspect with whatever you are looking for, right? So I will use an existing template. Please, I'm using the free version of Canva. All right, I didn't subscribe. I didn't. So let me look for a good template to use. Okay, let me just go for the purpose of this tutorial and for me not to waste so much of our time. Okay, let's go with this one that says crazy and funny animal videos. Let's go with this one. All right. Okay, so you click on it. You click on it and allow it to load up. All right, then what you do next is to remove this whole image here and replace them with the one I downloaded at first from pelzes.com. You remember there was an image we downloaded from pelzes.com. So that's the image we are to use in this video and not this one that this template came with. Do you understand? So we're going to replace this whole image here with that one. So in your own case, you replace this whole image here with yours. All right. So let me do mine. So how do you do that? You highlight the image session, all right, just like I did by tapping on it, and then you click on replace. Can you see this button here, replace? You click on it. After you must have highlighted the image session 1. That's the first thing you do. Then once you click, you highlight it by clicking on it, then this replace button will show up. That's the next thing. You click on replace. All right, let me just go through this way. Okay, once I have deleted, just like in your own case, now you can decide to replace. All right, but let me just go through this way. Okay, I will add the image directly by going to upload session. I'll click the upload session, then I will click on the image. All right, so you drag the image, you make the necessary adjustment. All right, then drag the image. All right, so you just adjust, okay, that's it. So can you see this crazy and funny animal videos? Okay, so but I'm dealing with a lion, not animals in general. Do you understand? So I will just click on, I will edit this animal, the word animal, will edit it and replace it with the word lion. Okay, so you highlight it and click on edit, then you replace the word animal with lion. Just erase and type in lion. Can you see this? That's it. That's it. So you can make it bigger if you like. Okay, let me increase the font size a bit. Okay, so this is it. So crazy and funny lion videos. Do you understand? So what you do next is to click on this icon here. Click on that icon to download the image. All right, to download your thumbnail. This is your thumbnail right now. Okay, so but before we download, let's say you want to remove the background of this lion. Okay, you want to remove it. All you just need to do is to highlight it by clicking on it. Okay, then you see this section that says effect. You see this section that says effect. When you click on it, all right, when you click on it, you'll be given several options. the first option is background remover, which is BG remover. But if I should click on this BG remover, I will be asked to make payment. Remember I said I'm using the free version of Canva. I'm not using the pro version. Do you understand? I haven't subscribed yet. So had it been I've subscribed. So let's say in your own case you've subscribed to Canva already. Okay, you'll be allowed to remove the background of this lion. Do you understand? So the lion will stand out. Do you get the point? So but for me, I'm not using the pro version for the as at the time of this video, as at the time of this tutorial. So we'll just leave that aspect, okay? But if you're using the pro version, you can do that. So we'll click on the icon at the top to download the thumbnail. Okay, you click on download, and then you click on download again. And that's it. That's it. You've got your designs. Downloading file downloaded. That's it. So you've gotten your thumbnail. This is how you create your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, your YouTube video thumbnail. This is how you create it from beginning to the end. Do you understand? So whichever topic you are dealing on or you are dealing with, you first of all go to pelzers.com, search for that keyword, okay, because you are trying to get an image that tallies with the keyword you are looking for. Do you understand? So in my own case, I was looking for my video is centered on lion, okay, so I was looking for an image, the image of a lion. Do you understand? So I have to go to pelzers.com to search for such image, then go to canva.com and search for YouTube lion thumbnails. Do you understand? So different templates on the keyword lion were presented, okay, showed up, and I have to select one of those templates, okay, especially the free ones, because I'm not using the pro version of Canva yet. So I choose the free one, okay, and I just made a few editing, all right, by re-uploading that same lion image I downloaded from Canva, from Pelzers, from Pelzers, all right, and added it to the template, the thumbnail template, all right, just by making a few editing here and there, okay. I replaced the image that came with the template with the image I downloaded from Pelzers. You understand? Then over here, the test part, this test form, all right, the written test, all right, over here where you have lion, it was showing animal before, right? So I just have to replace it with lion, because I'm dealing on lion, not on animals generally. Do you understand? So you edit that part, replace it with your own keyword, and that's it. You download the image, or you download the thumbnail. Do you understand? So this is how you create your own YouTube video thumbnails from A to Z. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to generate hashtags, how to generate video description, how to generate or how to get tags, tags for your videos, okay, and some other things you need to know when you are trying to upload your videos to YouTube, to your own YouTube channel. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that. You can subscribe now by smashing on that subscribe button, so that when we release the next video, you will be rightly notified. All right, so cheers guys, we'll see you in the next video.